Welcome to my YouTube channel, Steven. I want to tell you guys about that old motel and sizzler. What's on here is going to tear down to make way for magic here and this one this wonderful historic area. And then the motel and then the settler here and this wonderful place gonna mint that settler and the Utah Park Company and then wow, this Alkaline motel, but still right here before the settler. Now gonna be something else take place here. We gonna miss that place, right? Right? And it's such a wonderful place we eat there and had one of my favorite sodas, Mountain Dew, and also that wonderful place me and my brother used to go to on our birthdays when we used to go here before like that. This is a 2025 update on this here. Just take the time to get the motel part torn down though. And the doing, peace out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell. Comment only, good comment only. The demon, peace out.